There was a young woman named Maria who worked as a gardener. One day, a wealthy woman hired Maria to take care of her garden. The wealthy woman specifically asked Maria to trim the hedges, plant new flowers, and ensure the garden looked beautiful for an upcoming party. Maria started working diligently, trimming the hedges and planting vibrant flowers. While working, she noticed a small bird with a broken wing struggling near a bush. Maria gently picked up the bird, found a safe spot, and created a little nest for it using soft leaves and grass. She didn't mention this to the wealthy woman, thinking it was a small act of kindness anyone would do. After a full day of hard work, the wealthy woman paid Maria for her services, and Maria went home, feeling content with her day's work. The next day, the wealthy woman visited Maria's modest home with a large basket of fresh fruits, vegetables, and a generous amount of money. Maria was taken aback and asked, "But madam, you already paid me for my work. Why are you giving me so much more?" The wealthy woman smiled warmly and replied, "Maria, your work in the garden was wonderful, but that's not why I'm here. Yesterday, after you left, I found my little daughter crying in the garden. She had found the injured bird and was heartbroken. When she saw the nest you made and how you cared for the bird, she was overjoyed and told me all about your kindness. You not only tended to my garden, but also to my child's heart." That bird meant the world to her. Maria was deeply touched. The wealthy woman continued, "Your small act of kindness brought immense joy to my daughter and peace to my heart." It's not just about the big tasks. Sometimes it's the small, thoughtful actions that make the biggest difference. From that day on, Maria continued to help others whenever she could, knowing that even the smallest act of kindness can mean the world to someone. The moral of the story is, acts of kindness, no matter how small, can have a profound impact on others. Always be ready to help, comfort, and support those around you. Your kindness can make the world a better place.